Once upon a time, in a lush bamboo forest, there lived a young panda named Pippa. Unlike her friends, who loved to munch on bamboo all day, Pippa was curious about the world beyond the trees. One sunny morning, Pippa decided to explore. She wandered through the forest, past sparkling streams and colorful flowers, until she stumbled upon a clearing. In the middle of the clearing stood a wise old tortoise named Tao. "Where are you headed, little one?" Tao asked, his voice slow and gentle. "I want to see what's beyond this forest," Pippa exclaimed, her eyes shining with excitement. Tao chuckled softly. "The world outside can be wonderful, but it can also be challenging. Are you ready for that?" Pippa nodded eagerly. With a wise nod, Tao offered her a tiny golden bamboo shoot. "Take this with you. It will remind you of home, no matter where you go."